thanks for tuning in once again to Vivi's World. It's your girl again, Vivi, has come out with another beautiful tutorial. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to make a key holder. It's not only just for your key, you can also as well put it in your bags, your casual bags or your school bags. You know, it's very beautiful. I have different colors here, but I'll be showing you guys how I got to make this beautiful design. And let me open this one for you guys to see. You see it, how beautiful it looks. And this here it wrote Happy Valentine's Day. So if you're looking for a good idea, and I have another one here, and I have lots of them here also. If you're looking for a good idea to make a San Valentine, to give out a Valentine gift, here you have beautiful ideas I'll be bringing out in this channel. I have great and lot of beautiful ideas, you know, for you guys, and to help you not to go to that kind of too expensive gifts. You can get any beautiful gift like this, you know, any beautiful gift like this for your loved ones, your parents, your friends, you know, and they'll appreciate it, because like this one is very, very secure, intact, and made with special love. So guys, let's go there and see how I got to make this beautiful, authentic, original key holder. Please guys, if you're just watching me for the first time, please, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, share our video also, okay? And thanks for your wonderful comments. And if you're my returning wonderful subscriber, you know what you've been doing. Please guys, just share, love, put your like, and share our video also. Thank you very much. Thank you all for making this channel to continue growing. Now we're more than 3,000 subscribers, and I would like to see you all coming back to watch my video. It's a blessing, and I know we're blessing this channel. Every day we come out with different tutorials, a lot, and a lot more are still coming. So keep doing what you know how to do best. Thank you all, and keep watching.